So this is a typical media release site called Medianet in Australia, and they've been kind enough to allow me access because I have a blog, and I don't know, they just did. And so you can actually contact their person there to allow you access to Medianet. So it says for journalists, but you can be a blogger or any kind of thing. So a PR person or whatever. So that there's lots of releases here. That's where the releases are kept. So in my quest for new book reviews and new press mentions, I thought, well, what else can I do? It's obviously closed off in the Reader's Favourites. It's closed off the giveaways. So we've got this press release thing here, which I've already paid for apparently under the review thing. They give you a release and these little badge here for 5-star review. So what I've done is I've just copied that part there. We can, once you've joined Medianet or one of those, you can do your own little press release. So it would be good to, access this portal and then try to get your press release out. So you've got different subjects I'm covering, so they can contact me about these subjects. You can put a different organisation down here if you have different ones. You can put your social media, YouTube and Facebook and things. So it's got the website there and contact details. And that's all for the journalists, not for public people to look at, which I found in my own press release alerts because it's a book launch, and that's why they're showing it to me. And it's a great one because it's got all the pictures, it's got the title that's right, and and it's got details and the topic, so it's very clear what it's about. I do press releases a little bit differently, but this one's got everything there, plus the contact and the book details with all the different details you need. Some reviews, which is always nice to have, and who it's for. Yeah, so I could, go and contact her if I want to write a story about the new book linked in for me, and I can save that release. So press release alerts are here, and so you put your keywords in or categories, what you want to look for. Because I want so few, I only got a couple, but you could put many in. This is your home here with all your details and the subjects you want to cover in the media yourself, if you are being a journalist or PR person. And it's got your social media that you connect up with, and show them where you're going to be found online. So don't worry about your follower numbers. You can save press releases here, and then if you want to do a press release, it's a bit tricky because you've got to pay the $66 fee for that, and you've got to have an account that's valid. Someone will actually clarify that you're a legit person, not a spammer, and then you'll have your account